Hey guys, I've got a Maytag French Door Refrigerator with bottom pull-out freezer, and very reflective. I'm not used to seeing myself in the stuff that I test and put on here, but the purpose of these videos is so that you know when you purchase an appliance from me, whether it's a fridge, washer, dryer, get it home, plug it in, it's going to work perfect, not going to have any issues with it. Also, I like to show as if you were standing right in front of it with it all turned on and everything, testing it yourself. So save some time if you're coming from a distance, that kind of thing. That's how I like to shop, so that's how I like to show it. On this guy here, we'll start right here and just show you. Had it plugged in for a bit out here with a water line running, so I can show you everything works. Temperature in the freezer is 0 and 38 in the fridge. It's got the control for those two. Then you can set each of these fast cool. So when you get home, plug it in, you can hit that. It speeds up the cooling process. You can switch between ice and water. And I'm going to show you that that does in fact work. Okay, I'm going to switch over to water. Well, probably the most important things, if you ask me, if you ask my kids, you got to make sure that works. And so there's that. One thing that does not work, the light here. We just leave it off because the two LEDs that go up here, for some reason, they don't come on. So, hey, you save $2,000 because a couple lights don't work. It's no big deal. Everything else on this fridge works perfect. And I'll show you here all the lighting, all the shelves. I went through and cleaned this thing top to bottom myself. It's spotless. Everything on it works perfect. Slides like it should. I think a couple of these are pull-out adjustable. Not sure why you'd need that, but hey, it's there. That's the ice maker. Up here's the water filter, and I just put a brand new one in today, January 17th. Put a brand new one in. You can see the model number and everything there. And then over here, of course, all this works perfect. It's got a big thing here for whatever you want to put in there. And it's even got little temperature controls here for your fruits and vegetables and whatever this thing does. It slides. So yeah, pretty neat. And then the freezer pulls out. Got a lot of freezer capacity here. Hard to do with one hand, but it's all super clean. Pull these down and plenty of space. Like I said, all the seals are good, all the lights work. It's in immaculate shape, so it's like brand new. There's no dents or real scratches or anything like that. See if you can see. I'll post the pictures up, but there again, the purpose of this video is, if you spend the money on it, you want to know when you get it home, plug it in, that it's going to work like it's supposed to. So I try to do these short videos to show you as if you were standing here yourself, because when you come to pick it up, obviously I'll have it turned off and ready to load up. But now you know that it does work. I'm going to show you on the temperature too. My little temperature gun. Whatever I shine this on, little red light gives you the surface temperature. Maybe even shine it on the ice cube that fell out. Anyway, so we'll open this up, shoot it back in here. You can see pretty darn close, that 38 that it claims it is on the outside. Yeah, pretty close. So let me take that picture real quick for the ad. Then on the bottom, I'll just shoot that right in there. If I could push the right buttons. Anyway, there you have it on the fridge and the freezer temperature. So we'll get this listed up. If you have any questions, please reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Y'all have a great day. Thanks.